हरिः कर्ता।
Welcome to the at another course of MLverse, Machine Learning Universe. That is intuitive EDA for you. That is exploratory data analysis for you. So this course focuses on the first step in any data science project, which is exploring the data. So, classical statistics focused almost exclusively on inference, sometimes complex set of procedures for drawing conclusions about large populations based on small samples. In 1962, John W. Tukey called for a reformation of statistics in his seminal paper, The Future of Data Analysis. So, he proposed a new scientific discipline called data analysis that included statistical inference as just one of the as just one component. So Tukey forged links to the engineering and computer science communities. So he coined the terms bit, short for binary digit, and software. And his original tenets are surprisingly durable and form part of the foundation for data science. Let's look into the Wikipedia of this guy. Yeah. So John Wilder Tukey, so 1915 to 2000, was an American mathematician and statistician. And he also worked on the development of the fast Fourier transform and FFT algorithm and then box plot. So this is his biography, and you can go through his scientific contributions are here, and this is what the most important for us: statistical practice. So coining the term bit, he that's what he did. He coined the term bit. So while working with John von Neumann on early computer designs, Tukey introduced the word bit as a portmanteau of binary digit. The term bit was first used in an article by Claude Shannon. So the field of exploratory data analysis was established with the Tukey's 1977 now classic book, Exploratory Data Analysis. Tukey presented a simple plots, example box plots, scatter plots, that along with summary statistics, mean, median, quantiles, etc. So it helps paint a picture of a data set. So with the ready availability of computing power and expressive data analysis software, exploratory data analysis has evolved well beyond its original scope. Key drivers of this discipline have been the rapid development of new technology, access to more and bigger data, and the greater use of quantitative analysis in variety of disciplines. David Donoho, a professor of statistics at Stanford University, and former undergraduate student of QK's authored an excellent article based on his presentation at the QK Centennial Workshop in Princeton, New Jersey. Donoho traces the genesis of data science back to QK's pioneering work in data analysis. So that's what all about the origins of exploratory data analysis or just the data analysis. We just turned back the clock, and we have seen the origins and history of data analysis, and we are glad that we met a great statistician uh, who is a 2K.